Hi, this is 𝗞𝗲𝘊 from InstaWebWorks. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to our latest extension, Work Drive for Zoho CRM. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use our basic features. To install our extension, come to the marketplace and search for Work Drive for Zoho CRM. Click on Start Free Trial, accept the terms, and continue. The installation process will take some time, so please wait. After the installation has been finished, it will redirect to the settings page. First of all, you have to select your data center and then authenticate. After the authentication is finished, you can see in the module settings, there are five modules: leads, contacts, accounts, deals, and campaigns. If I come to the Work Drive, you can see under the team folder, there is a folder created called CRM folder ext. Inside the folder, we can see 5 folders for those respective 5 modules. So in the settings, we can see the folder structure, which means how the naming conventions will be, how the folders will have subfolders or not, and everything else. So if I come to any of the modules, for example, if I come to the contacts module and create a new contact, you can see the folder structure is full name. So if I have the last name Hassan and the first name as 𝗞𝗲𝘆, and if I hit save, and if I come to the contacts folder, you can see a new folder has been created with the full name of that record. So this is how the folder structure can control how the naming convention will be in the Work Drive. To select a field from the record to be the name, you have to press on Shift and 3 in your keyboard, which will be hash, and I can select any of the field from the module, like last name, you can say hyphen, also another time Shift 3, maybe title. Okay, I can also add a subfolder as well, maybe last name hyphen subfolder. So if I hit save right now, and create a new contact, last name Richard, title CEO, and hit save. If I come to the Work Drive, I can see a new folder with the last name and also the title of the record. And if I go inside, I can also find a subfolder as well. So this is how you can control the naming convention of the folder inside the CRM settings of this extension. And you can also have subfolders as well. Now, if I come to the record, and you can see there is a related list called Easy Work Drive, and if I click, I can find the extensions widget, which will enable me to access the Work Drive from inside the CRM. So this is the root folder, and this is also the subfolder. Right now, I can upload a file from here, and if I upload it in the CRM, and if I go to the Work Drive, I can find the file over there as well. I can also rename the file, drawing, rename, and the rename is done over here as well. I can copy, I can cut, can download, have external share links with download only or full access. I can delete the file as well. We also have list view and grid view. With the grid view, you can find a small preview of the file. And if I click on the file, I can have a bigger preview from inside the CRMs, this extension. And also we can add new folder. And inside the subfolder, I can upload files. This is a PDF. We can also preview PDFs from inside this extensions widget. And we can also drag and drop files from here as well. So this is it. You can also search for like Zoho Books or Richard. You can search for things inside here as well. So these are the basic features of our extension, and I will have another video where I will discuss the advanced features and advanced settings of this extension. So until then, thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.